Tired of spending too much time cleaning your home with heavy, weak vacuum cleaners? Slow cleaning, tangled cords, and poor suction can make daily cleaning frustrating. In this video, we share the top cordless vacuum cleaner for fast home cleaning that solves these problems with strong suction, lightweight design, and easy maneuverability, helping you clean faster, easier, and more efficiently without breaking your budget. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on the list, ABIR Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is a high-end solution for efficient home cleaning. With 27,000 PA max suction and advanced cyclonic technology, it easily removes dust, dirt, and pet hair from carpets, beds, and hard floors. Its lightweight 3 to 6 kg design ensures effortless handling for longer cleaning sessions. Equipped with an ultra-big touchscreen, the vacuum provides smart dust detection, auto-speed control, and maintenance notifications, allowing users to visualize the cleaning process in real time. The E13 HEPA filter captures fine dust and allergens, improving indoor air quality. It comes with 4 versatile brushes, including a bed cleaning brush, floor brush with LED light, crevice nozzle, and 2-in-1 soft brush, ensuring no corner is missed. The wireless design offers up to 40 minutes runtime, making cleaning convenient and flexible. The ABIR Cordless Handheld Vacuum combines power, intelligence, and portability, delivering a thorough and effortless cleaning experience for any home. Second product on the list, Tineco Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Tineco Pure One Air Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is designed for users who want a lightweight yet powerful cleaning solution. With 130 suction power, it efficiently removes dust, dirt, and pet hair from carpets, hard floors, and small spaces. Its compact, ergonomic design ensures easy handling, making daily cleaning effortless. This vacuum comes with a multifunctional combined brush, allowing users to reach corners, edges, and under furniture with ease. Its HEPA filter traps fine dust and allergens, improving indoor air quality and making it ideal for allergy-prone homes. Featuring a dust box under 0.5 L, it is easy to empty and maintain. Its wireless design provides full freedom of movement, while handheld installation makes it versatile for furniture, shelves, and even cars. The Tineco Pure One Air delivers quiet, efficient, and convenient cleaning, combining portability, suction power, and advanced filtration for modern households. Third product on the list, INSE S10 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The INSE S10 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile cleaning solution for modern homes. With 45 kPa powerful suction and a 35 WW motor, it removes dust, pet hair, and debris efficiently from carpets, hard floors, and even tight corners. Its lightweight design, weighing only 3 to 6 kilos, ensures effortless handling during extended cleaning sessions. This 6-in-1 stick vacuum includes 1 to 3 nozzles, featuring a corner folding brush to reach edges and hard-to-access areas. With 3-4 operating modes, it adapts to different surfaces and cleaning requirements, offering maximum flexibility for any household. The vacuum features a 1-2L bag-less dust box and a HEPA filtration system, capturing fine particles and keeping indoor air cleaner. Its Li-ion rechargeable battery provides up to 50 minutes of runtime, allowing wireless cleaning without interruptions. The INSE S10 stands out as a powerful, convenient, and reliable cordless vacuum for everyday home use. Fourth product on the list, SUXIANGVAC Cordless Vacuum. The SUXIANGVAC Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is designed for users who want strong suction paired with true convenience. With its 50 kPa power and efficient 500 W motor, it tackles pet hair, dust, and debris on hard floors and carpets with ease. Because it stays lightweight, the user can clean longer without feeling tired. This vacuum features 1 to 3 multifunctional nozzles, making it suitable for corners, furniture, and open spaces. It also offers 3 to 4 suction modes, so it adapts quickly to different cleaning needs. Even better, its self-standing design allows the user to pause anytime without leaning the vacuum against a wall. Powered by a long-lasting Li-ion battery, it provides 55 to 60 minutes of runtime, perfect for whole home cleaning. The HEPA filter ensures high-efficiency filtration, while the LED display and green searchlight improve visibility on darker surfaces. The SUXIANGVAC cordless vacuum stands out as a powerful, modern, and highly practical cleaning solution for everyday use. Fifth product on the list, INSE i5 Corded Vacuum Cleaner. The INSE i5 Corded Vacuum Cleaner is designed for homeowners who want strong suction in a lightweight body. With its 600 watt motor and 18 kPa suction power, it easily lifts dust, pet hair, and small debris from hard floors. Because it weighs less than 3 kilos, the user can move it around comfortably without feeling tired. This vacuum comes with 1 to 3 practical nozzles, including a flat suction nozzle for corners and edges. Each attachment helps improve precision, making everyday cleaning smoother. Its bag-less dust box, with a 0.61 L capacity, is also simple to empty, so the user can clean continuously without hassle. Additionally, the 6-meter cord allows wide movement around the room. The cyclone filtration system separates fine particles, offering fresher air and better efficiency. The INSE i5 stands out as an affordable and reliable cleaning tool. It delivers power, convenience, and consistent performance for daily home use.